What is up, YouTube? Now today what we have is a buddy of mine's Subaru WRX that we're going to be working on. So he ended up buying a DC coilovers because he's on stock suspension right now. Looking really ugly. So yeah, we're about to do the suspension on this thing. I'm going to do part of it today and finish the car up tomorrow for him. We are going to put some BC coilovers. Gonna roll all his 4 fenders. Got to do all 4 of them. Should probably do the front one today. And we are gonna fix this crap, which is pretty banged up, but we have the tools to do it, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look a lot better than that when we get done with it. But there you have it. Let's get started. That's too much, bro. I don't think I'll ever be like that. I used to be like that with RX. I don't think I'll ever be like that. That's too much for me. The thing is, I had my setup so nice to where I just couldn't carry more than 2 people. Oh. Man, it's fucking RHD conversion. Come on, look good. Daily. That's just not slick, man. Remember how it was right here? You never got the fender flares, right? No. Yeah, buddy. What I like about it, though, is that you don't have that much control. I like it like that, bro. Gee. That crappy ass kind of shit so good. Yeah, that shit is gonna be hitting the pipe in the bottom. I might have to. When I drive it. I can get a lot of the pipe. I have to raise it up a little bit. Move on. So here we have it. Finally finished it up. It's my friend Fernando's car. Unfortunately, he's not here to be in this video, but yeah, finally I finished it up for him. Rolled his fenders, cut some of the fenders out as you see on the video, just so he can have that extra clearance. And the worst part of the car was, be quiet, was this part was pretty banged up all the way in. It was folded as you seen in the video. I fixed it as best as I could, and actually part was hit by a car, I think, but it'll be good enough until he gets it painted, and he'll have all that fixed. But there you have it, DC coilovers, and we actually went on a cruise, rode really good, and it rides real well. So yeah, if y'all looking to get BC, I would say that's the way to go. They sit well. I think the front is just about maxed out. I think you might be able to go like maybe another half an inch lower, but the back you have a lot to play with, so that's probably the only thing I like about it. But other than that, yeah, hopefully Fernando likes it and get used to that. His car being all dropped, it's not used to that. But yeah, check out my vids, hit that subscribe button, like button if y'all liked it, and hopefully we do more cars like this in the future. But I want to thank everybody, and